Hello everyone. Today, we're going to walk you through a simple yet important feature on your Galaxy Z Flip 5, managing your app's background data usage. Let's get started. Start by navigating to the home screen. From the home screen, tap on the settings icon. Next, scroll down and select Connections. Continue scrolling down and select Data Usage. Now, tap on Mobile Data Usage. Here, you'll find a list of apps. Select the app that you wish to modify. For this guide, let's use Messenger. On the next screen, scroll down to the Allow Background Data Usage option. Here, you'll see a switch. Simply toggle this switch on to enable background data usage or off to disable it. Disabling this option will prevent the selected application from using any data in the background. Additionally, you can set it to allow data usage while data saver is on by simply turning the switch on. If you don't want this, just leave it off. And that's it. You now know how to manage your app's background data usage on your Galaxy Z Flip 5. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video.